In today's video, I'll show you how you can set Fxsound to start with Windows. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to make sure that you have the Fxsound latest version installed on your device. So you want to go into fxsound.com and download for Windows. Click on this button right here to make sure that you are using the latest version, because this would lessen the errors and make sure that it is running properly on your system and will launch on every start of your Windows PC. So that should be automatic. There is no option in here that would let you do so right here because it's already automatic. Now, all that's left to check is to go into your task manager. To do that, you want to go into taskbar right here at the bottom, right click, Task Manager. And now once you have your Task Manager, you want to go into Startups. So you should see that right here, Startup Apps. You want to click on that, and from here, you want to search for Fxsound. So we have Fxsound right here, and you want to make sure that this is enabled. You want to right click and make sure that you have the disable button right here. You don't want to click on that. Make sure that the status in here of Fxsound is enabled, and in that way, every time that you restart your PC or turn off and turn on again, you should have your Fxsound automatically enabled. And of course, make sure that this is not disabled. This is not grayed out like this. It is in this color. That's it on how you'd be able to set Fxsound to start with Windows. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.